Okay, I'm going to talk about regrouping the minuend, which again is a mental method for subtraction. So I'm going to look at the calculation of 70 take away 57. Now the minuend is the number that's being reduced, so 70 is our number that is being reduced. So 70 is obviously made up of 7 tens. So another manipulative that we might use in the classroom are the place value counters. And we would represent them like this when we're drawing them as a picture. So we can think about how we can subtract 57 really easily from 70. Now, if we look at the cherry model, so 70, I know it's made up of 7 tens, but actually 57, the next 10 is 60. So if I regroup this into 60 and 10, then what I'm able to do is to do 60, take away 57, which I know is 3, because I know 7 and 3 make 10, so that gives me my next 10. And then I'm left with, I've used my 60, I'm then left with 10, and 10 and 3 give me 13. So by having chosen to regroup my 70 into a 60 and a 10, I've been able to really easily calculate what 60 take away 57 is using my number bonds, knowing that 7 and 3, and then been able to add that to the 10 that I had left, giving me 13. So therefore I can see that 70 take away 57 gives me 13. Now again, when we do this in the class, we would look for patterns that we might find. So we've just done 70 take away 57, so I'm going to look at 370 take away 57. And again, thinking about how I might regroup that. So actually, if I look here, I'm still going to choose to regroup my 370 into a 60 and into 310. By regrouping that into a 60, I can do 60 take away 57, which gives me 3, and then I can add that to that, use that, so 310 plus 3 gives me 313. If I look at a slightly different example, I'm going to go with 384 take away 52. Again, my next 10 to my 52 is going to be 60. So I'm going to regroup my 384 into 60 and 324. I know that 60 take away 52, using those number bonds again, what do I need from 2 to get to my next 10 is going to be 8. And then I can do 324 plus 8, which is going to give me 332. I have regrouped that again, you may have noticed. So actually I've regrouped that into a 6 and a 2 to do that calculation in my head.